What's up, guys? Mr. LNC checking out the BEZGAR TD203 RC car. Can't wait to get it out of the box. Let's check it out. This RC car is incredible. This is one wild ride, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you play golf, ladies and gentlemen. This thing's like a speeding bullet. Ghosty, come here. I don't want it to get you. Good girl. Here we go. Oh, wrong way. This thing is like a speeding bullet. It's very powerful, very durable. Take a look at that trick. Spider-Man always told me, with great power comes great responsibility. What a cool RC car, guys. I'm loving it. The battery life's great. It's still going super strong. I'm surprised how powerful this is. Half the coolness is the tricks it does and these rubber wheels that grip so well and let it do such amazing tricks. Absolutely loving it, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.